All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. Hope everybody is doing well. Crypto Friday. I hope everyone is taking a look at what we got to set up the weekend. We're looking at ENJIN coin right now. If you were following the Discord last night, hey, I highly recommend you join that free trading Discord. Links in the description. You can also send me an email if there's an issue with the link at mycryptoballers@gmail.com. And we'll get you all hooked up. Massive buying opportunity last night. I know we say it a lot. It's be brave. You got to be brave. But, I mean, with 10, 15, 20, 25% declines in altcoins last night, that was a buying opportunity, at the bottom for sure in a lot of projects, especially if you believe in the narrative that, altcoin season and it's still we've gone from preseason to altcoin season, now back to preseason. They can't seem to make up their minds what season we're in terms of altcoins. If you follow on YouTube, they kind of stick their finger up in the air and kind of go with that. But that's social media content. That's all content driven. So that's where that's coming from. But you gotta, pick your shots in terms of having your watch list and understand last night these dips like I've covered yesterday pre correction really. VeChain dropped 50% and has recovered 50%. Buying opportunity 13, 14 cents. Boom. Back up to 19 cents, right? Massive opportunity. And some of these, they're just getting caught up in the Ethereum, Bitcoin, phenomenons in terms of the market analysis of indecisiveness. And that's where we're at. Less with Ethereum, but Bitcoin's in pretty indecisive. I mean, right now it's under $50,000. There's all that turmoil. Is it going to dump further? It's already had a 20, 25% market correction. So I don't believe it's going to dump further, but it could. And its dominance is not really irrelevant to me now because everything tanked last night with Bitcoin. So altcoins are supposed to go higher when Bitcoin goes lower. That's what they tell you. Doesn't work anymore. That was 5 years ago, 4 years ago. It doesn't work anymore. Okay, because institutions are coming in and through custody and Coinbase custody and buying altcoins now. That wasn't happening in 2017, 2018, 2019. Okay, that wasn't happening. So the whole formula and ratio is completely out the window now. Okay, and I'm going to get into a video later on about that. I'll go live because there's a lot more to deep dive into that. But ENJIN right now has got a hold 205. Definitely still bullish on ENJIN. Okay, ENJIN coin. Still bullish on VeChain. Still bullish on Chili's. Nothing's really changed in these projects, right? The only thing that's changed is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum lost 400 basis points from setting a high yesterday in the same day, setting a high of 2,600 and then dropping to 2,200 level. Great leverage down, sell down trade, right? In our group, you can play either way. You can play, in the bullish market, you tend to want to play 80% of the time a long buy up. But also in a bullish market, you get these corrections and you want to play the sell down or buy down, depending on what exchange you're on. And that's, you got to use your technicals and understand that when a critical support level is broken, you sell down. Okay. And that's what we did with Bitcoin. That's what we did with Ethereum. Okay. And now it's going to consolidate, level off like ENJIN is doing at the $2 level, forming a little basis of support and then rise again. And this is where you accumulate it in long and in your stack. Okay, you've got support at 205, need to hold 205. We're at 209 now. We got resistance coming up here at about 210. Okay, so we want to break that, here in the short term. We got targets at 215 and 217. If 215 to that 217 range gets taken out, you've got some on-chain data to support that. Then we got a target of 250, 255, easy. Okay, remember, we're from 14 days ago, ENJIN had just touched almost $4. A massive run up. VeChain, same way. Massive run up. And so people took gains. But who's taking those gains? Interesting thing to look at is the active addresses on blockchain that are actually moving their tokens to exchanges to sell last night and back towards Saturday. Okay? Most of those active addresses that were selling, okay, were long-term addresses, meaning they have been holding that coin either since it was issued, things like Uniswap last year, Compound last year, okay, or larger, 10,000 or more, 5,000 or more, okay? So it wasn't really short-term. So that's important. And ENJIN's on the move back